Lights, camera, action.
This year, luckily, we started our IB film program, and that let us launch into building a full-on film and media department. So we were able to get a whole suite of equipment, cameras, all things like that, and we've hit the ground running. So when we were trying to name the company, why we didn't just want to call it Adamson Film, we made it very sure that it was Oak Cliff Productions. How can we, through the art of film, serve our community? And we're doing that through social media commercials, normal commercials, spreading awareness, and that's one of the assignments. Kids have to go out to businesses in the area and say, what can we do for you?
Today we're going to Levine's and filming a commercial.
Here at Levine's, we have a wide collection of work beats.
So what we do is we get a cast and a crew together and we film a scripted short to showcase all of the different products that they have at the store.
I love recording on set because main reason is I get to work with other people. I love working with other people when it comes to film.
After we get all of our shots together, we take them in and we start to go edit them with like music and fixing any shots, you know, make sure that everything pieces together nicely.
My hope is that somewhere through this, the kids find some sort of passion that they have for this and that they realize that there's something that they can do in the real world. You know, when you grow up, that I can do something in this world with this and let them find their passion. That's my goal.
So 1, 2, 3. I really value getting these moments with all of my peers and make something that we're all really proud of. And then at the end, when it's all finished and come together, it's just like, wow, like we did this. It's really cool.